Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make an incline ice dye. For this project, start by turning your shirt inside out, and then you want to center it using the sleeve inside the other sleeve technique. You want to tuck one sleeve inside the other sleeve, and then line up the seams that are in the underarm and along the shoulder. And then you just want to shake it out and smooth it until you bring the front of the shirt and the back of the shirt together. That's centering your shirt. Using a washable marker, mark out your pattern, and then you want to pleat along this line, making that line as straight as possible. Once you have your shirt pleated up, you need to secure it. For this project, I'm going to use rubber bands, but you could also use kite string. It's just a matter of preference. For this project, I'm only going to use citrus yellow. I'm swatching out all of Dharma's colors with ice, so I'm leaving white space in between each row of dye because I want to be able to see what the color is actually going to do. If I was to just cover the whole shirt with yellow, then we would just have one yellow shirt. For those of you that might be new to the channel, I have the shirt placed inside of a piece of gutter. I pick the gutter up at Lowe's and then I cut it down into smaller manageable pieces. So now I'm adding the ice to the shirt and I'm doing it while it's laying flat on the table. It's just a lot easier because the ice wants to roll downhill. Once you get all the ice on your shirt, you want to stick it inside of a plastic bin with one side of it sticking out, and that's going to create the incline. I'm placing my dye towel down here at the end. It's a stopper for the ice. Once you set it up on the incline, the ice wants to roll downhill. When the ice is good and stuck to the shirt, I will remove that. After the ice melted, I came back and checked the back. And there is quite a bit of yellow, but there are no stripes. So I decided that I'm going to add a second layer of dye to the back side. Because we're adding more ice and pushing so much water through the shirt, give your shirt a quick little sprinkle of soda ash. It's been 24 hours since the ice is melted, and now it's time for the rinse out. So you want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fibers, and then gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, and then I do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft. Then I put it in the dryer and we'll come back and we'll see our results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. And this is a really pretty sunny yellow shirt. So again, it's just a single color, the citrus yellow, and it's a really beautiful yellow. I'm not sure if this is the best pattern for the single colors, so I'm going to play around with it. The back side has a lot more going on than the front. Overall, it's a beautiful shirt, so now we know what citrus yellow looks like, right? And then this little square of fabric, that's my liquid dye. So now we have liquid dye and ice dye. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all to get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.